Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what was in the envelope that Lucy gave to me at the end of her driving lessons with me that we filmed together back in 2016. I'm also going to show you some other things that people have given me over the years after passing the driving test with me. I'm going to reveal a few secrets about my videos you didn't know. And I'm also going to tell you about the most unusual thing that the people ever gave me after passing the driving test. So, first of all, what's in this envelope? If you don't know, I filmed a series of driving lesson videos back in 2016 with a pupil. We filmed everything from start to finish. It's 42 hours long, the whole series of videos. That includes all of her driving lessons and a motorway lesson. And afterwards she gave me this envelope which contained this card which says, "Thanks a million." And if we look inside the card, it says, "Dear Paul, thank you so much for being such a fantastic driving instructor. Thank you for being so patient with me and explaining why things happen rather than just what I need to do to pass the test. I am absolutely over the moon that I passed first time and have really enjoyed our lessons together. Many thanks." And then the pupil's signature. Now there's the first secret. I wonder how many of you realise this, but this might turn your whole world upside down. Sorry if this ruins and shocks everything for you. But Lucy's name wasn't really Lucy. When I film with people, we don't use their real name for privacy. So, yeah, in case you've never noticed, have you ever noticed how pupils that I film with have appropriate names for what's going on at the time? Did anyone notice how Lucy was named after Lucy Beale? Yeah, didn't you get that? Because this was not long after, I think it was about actually 18 months after the whole Lucy Beale thing had happened in EastEnders. But anyway, other pupils in my videos are not who you think they are. For example, Emma isn't Emma. Emma was named Emma because of Ella, who isn't named Ella. If you didn't get that, Ella was a joke name, as in L plates, as in Ella, as in learner. I thought it would be funny to be teaching Ella and Emma at the same time. So yeah, they're just some of the things that are hidden in my videos. But what else did Lucy, I nearly said a real name then, what else did Lucy give me in that card? Well, it contained a gift voucher for John Lewis and Waitrose. I won't tell you how much it was for, but it was a generous amount. And this is something else I don't know if people realised about those videos. She did get all of those lessons free. So she had 42 hours of lessons, which will cost well over £1,000 free in return for filming the lessons. So yeah, that's what I had off Lucy. I'll put those there. Over the years, I've had many other things. Let's pick another one here. So this is again to me. And this is a pupil I had 4 years ago. Now must be about eight years ago. And this card, which says, "Thank you," says, "Dear Paul, thank you so much for many hours of patience. You're simply the best instructor anyone could ask for." And again, the name signed at the bottom. Now that pupil also brought me a little gift, and I should point out, I never expect gifts. And I'm not saying I don't want gifts, because that would be quite rude, but I don't make this video and I don't want people to give me gifts. People already pay for the lessons, but some pupils do choose to give me a gift at the end. And as well as that card, that pupil brought me this book on cat selfies, because I'm a big cat lover. If you didn't know, what's the proper name is an aurilophile for a cat lover. And yeah, it's got these, I can't show you the whole thing, like copyright and all that. But yeah, it's got this book full of funny cat selfies. And I had a good read of that. One more card here, then I'll start to tell you about some of the more different things. This is a card I had, which simply says, "Thanks for being a great instructor and getting me to pass. Thanks for your help." And then the pupil's name. So yeah, pupils do give you gifts over the years. As well as cards, I also had a tip once. Somebody gave me a tip of £100 for passing first time, which was, very, very generous. And I said, "Are you sure?" And they said, "Yeah, just take it." I had a pupil only a few years ago. In fact, this was just before I taught Lucy. And this pupil, who may still be watching this, made me this lovely cat, a handmade cat. I really like this. And when I first had it, it smelt of like lavender, I think it was, and the scent has worn off over the years. But what a lovely little cat. They actually offered me to go into the house and play with their cats, and we never got around to doing it. I forgot to do it, and that would have been great fun to go and play with the cats. So yeah, there you go. So what about the most unusual thing that I've ever been offered? Well, I've had a few that I wouldn't even want to tell you about, but the most unusual one was one time. This was many years ago now. I can't remember the exact year. I think it was 2010 or something like that. 8, I don't know. 2006, I can't even remember now. But many, many years ago, I had a pupil, and it was this girl who was a pole dancer, and she offered me a backstage pass to go and meet the girls backstage at this lap dancing club, pole dancing club. I did politely decline. I said, "Look, I appreciate the offer, but that's not really my kind of thing." And she said, "Oh, go on." And she said, "If ever you change your mind, just ask for me at the door, and then they'll let you in." So yeah, what would you have done in that situation? What would you have said? So just a short video there to show you some of the things that I've had over the years from pupils. Check out these other videos on the screen now for more fun. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.